Okay, guys, more practice again, helping with the quiz. Lauren graphed the relationship between how many days had passed since she planted a cactus and its height. So this is the thing. Which feature of the graph represents how tall the cactus was when Lauren planted it? So that would be at the very beginning. That is when my x value is 0. That is when your x value is 0. That's called my y-intercept. Jay collects eggs in a basket and weighs the basket. He graphed the relationship between the number of eggs and the total mass. What does the slope represent? Well, the slope represents the change in weight per egg. Well, they're doing mass. So mass per egg. Vertical change to horizontal. Mass per egg. Reagan graphed the relationship between the number of bars of music he played and the total number of times his metronome clicked. Okay, what feature of the graph represents how many times the metronome clicked per bar? Okay, so again, clicks per bar, clicks per bar. That's a rate. They're talking about the slope. Tanvir graphed the relationship between the number of rotations of a screwdriver and the height of the screw head above a piece of wood. What does the slope represent in the context? Again, slope. Slope is change in this divided by change in this. So this is height per rotations. The number of rotations it takes, the number of millimeters per rotation that the screwdriver. So again, the top number is height, millimeters per rotation. Millimeters per rotation. All right, that one's done. Let's do this one. See if we can get two of these into one thing. All right, what was the pressure around Marco when he was 30 meters deep? Okay, so we're wanting the depth to be 30. Well, we've gone up 4, we went up another 4. If we go up another 4, we're at 26. If we go up another 4, we're going to be at 30. So we need to go up 4 twice. Here we're going up 0.4 and then 0.4. So we're going to go up 0.4 2 more times. So you add 0.4, you're going to be 3.6, and then you're going to be spot on 4. The price of a train ticket consists of initial fee plus a constant fee per stop. The table compares the number of stops and the price per ticket. What is the fee per stop? Okay, so it went up 4 stops, and this changed by $6. It went up 4, this changed by $6. So you're going to take the amount of change in this and divide it by this. Well, 6 divided by 4 is 1.5, or $1.50. Isabella filled her pool with water at a constant rate. The table compares the remaining volume of water left to fill. Okay, so this is how much it's been going. This is where it says, what was the size of Isabella's pool? Well, the size would be before you ever started putting water in it. So this would be when this is 0. That would be the y-intercept. So I went 2 minutes back, and then another 2 minutes back, I'm at 0. Well, this is changed by, 36. So you're going to take, so I'm going to have to do this, I probably need a calculator. 148, I'm going to add 36 once. That gets me to 2 minutes, because this is changed by 36. And then I'm going to add 36 one more time. It has to go twice. And we're going to get it started at 220 liters. All right. The ground floor of a tower was very high ceiling, and the residential floors above it each created a constant smaller height. The table compares the floor number and the height number of the ceiling above the ground. The ground floor is floor 0 and floors 1 and up are the residential floors. What is the height of each residential floor? Okay, so I may need a calculator here just because I am dealing with some ugly numbers. This is clearly a change of 7. What is 54 minus 31.6? That's 22.4. So this was 22.4. This was also 22.4. Now we're changing that every 7. So we're going to take that change divided by that change to figure out the rate. So we're going to divide that by 7. And we're getting 3.2 meters per floor.